The tumultuous life of Anna Nicole Smith. Anna Nicole Smith, born Vicki Lynn Hogan in 1967, was a figure who constantly captured the public's attention until her untimely death in 2007. Known for her bombastic personality, tumultuous personal life, and her public legal battles, Anna Nicole remains a subject of fascination. Here are 11 of the most scandalous and shocking facts about her life. Fact number 1. Early life. Anna Nicole Smith, born Vicki Lynn Hogan, had a challenging upbringing in Houston, Texas. Raised by her mother and aunt after her parents divorced when she was very young, her early life was marked by instability and poverty. She dropped out of high school and was married by the age of 17 to Billy Smith, with whom she had her son, Daniel. This marriage ended quickly, and she found herself struggling financially, which led her into jobs at strip clubs. This period was her entry into the world of modeling and eventual fame. Her most infamous marriage was to 89-year-old billionaire J. Howard Marshall II when she was just 26. Anna Nicole Smith's early life was marked by severe familial strife and alleged abuse. Her father, who she only met later in life, reportedly attempted to sexually assault her during their first meeting, mirroring his earlier abusive behaviors towards other family members. Number 2. Marrying a billionaire 63 years her senior. In 1994, at the age of 26, Anna Nicole Smith married 89-year-old James Howard Marshall II, an oil tycoon with a net worth estimated in the billions. The marriage, which took place in Houston, Texas, attracted extensive media coverage and public scrutiny, largely fueled by the significant age gap of 63 years between the spouses. Critics often speculated that Smith's motivations were financial rather than romantic. J. Howard Marshall, who was one of the wealthiest individuals in the United States, passed away just 13 months later in August 1995. When Marshall died, his estate was estimated to be worth $1.6 billion. His death triggered a prolonged and highly publicized legal battle over his estate, involving multiple parties including Anna Nicole and Marshall's son, E. Pierce Marshall. This legal dispute extended well beyond Anna Nicole's own death in February 2007. Number 3. Playboy fame and a modeling career. Anna Nicole Smith first gained major public attention after being featured on the cover of Playboy magazine as the Playmate of the Year in May 1993. Despite her later public persona of confidence and glamour, Smith was initially very nervous during her debut photoshoot for Playboy. It was only after receiving a motivational talk from the photographers and listening to the right mood music on set that she was able to overcome her fears and fully embrace the photoshoot. This breakthrough significantly raised her profile and helped launch her modeling career. Subsequently, she secured a high-profile contract with Guess Jeans in the early 1990s. Her distinctive and voluptuous appearance in these campaigns not only made her a widely recognized figure but also played a key role in revitalizing the brand's image during that time. Number 4. Her son's tragic death. A profound personal tragedy struck Anna Nicole Smith in September 2006, when her 20-year-old son, Daniel Wayne Smith, died unexpectedly. This occurred just 3 days after the birth of her daughter, Danielyn, on September 7, 2006. Daniel was visiting his mother in the hospital in Nassau, Bahamas, when he passed away. His death was ruled accidental by the coroner, attributed to the combined effects of methadone, Zoloft, and Lexapro. The sudden loss of her son came at a time when Anna Nicole was already emotionally vulnerable, having just given birth, and it had a deep and lasting impact on her, both personally and in the eyes of the public. Number 5. A battle over paternity. After Anna Nicole Smith's son Daniel died in September 2006 and her daughter Danielyn was born on September 7, 2006, a high-profile paternity battle ensued. Initially, Anna Nicole's attorney and companion, Howard K. Stern, was listed as the father on the birth certificate. However, several other men also claimed paternity, including celebrity photographer Larry Birkhead and Frederick von Anhalt, the husband of actress Zsa Zsa Gabor. This dispute led to a DNA testing order by a Bahamian court. On April 10, 2007, DNA results confirmed Larry Birkhead as the biological father of Danielyn, leading to a custody arrangement that saw Stern withdrawing his legal challenge and Birkhead being granted full custody. Number 6. Romantic relationship with Missy Byram. Anna Nicole Smith's relationship with Missy Byram, whom she met while both were working at a strip club, developed during a vulnerable period in Smith's life. Byram, a friend and later a romantic partner, described Anna Nicole as both vulnerable and naive, qualities that forged a deep and supportive connection between them. While the specifics of their relationship timeline are not as publicly documented as other aspects of Smith's life, it is known that Byram provided emotional support during some of Anna Nicole's more turbulent times, contributing to the complexities of her personal life narrative. Number 7. Supreme Court case. The legal battle over J. Howard Marshall's estate, involving Anna Nicole Smith, is one of the most notable celebrity cases to reach the U.S. Supreme Court. The case, officially titled Marshall v. Marshall, later known as Stern v. Marshall and subsequent proceedings, was first heard by the Supreme Court in 2006. The case centered around whether a federal court could hear a claim that was also a part of a state probate proceeding, as Anna Nicole had filed in federal court a claim against the estate, alleging that her late husband's son, E. Pierce Marshall, had interfered with her potential inheritance. In May 2006, the Supreme Court ruled in favor of Anna Nicole, allowing her to pursue her claims in federal court, a decision that underscored the often complex interplay between state probate law and federal jurisdiction. However, the legal wrangling continued until after her death in 2007, with further complications arising from various appeals and legal interpretations. Number 8. Body shaming and eating disorders. Throughout her career, Anna Nicole Smith was subjected to intense scrutiny regarding her body image. This scrutiny was pervasive in the media, where fluctuations in her weight were frequently highlighted and criticized. The public commentary often bordered on body shaming, significantly affecting her self-esteem and contributing to her struggles with eating disorders. Anna Nicole's fluctuating weight was a topic of discussion in celebrity magazines and on television shows, which both mocked and scrutinized her physical appearance. This relentless focus led to various personal crises, including bouts of depression and anxiety, which she often tried to manage through diets and, reportedly, periods of excessive eating followed by regrets and further dieting. Number 9. Allegations of drug misuse. Anna Nicole Smith's substance abuse struggles were often highlighted in the media, particularly after her erratic behavior on The Anna Nicole Show raised public concern. Her history with drugs dates back to at least 1989 when she was arrested for driving under the influence in Houston, Texas. This pattern of behavior continued into her later life, often observed during her public appearances. Her death on February 8, 2007, in Hollywood, Florida, was due to an accidental overdose, with chloral hydrate identified as the primary substance, alongside other prescription drugs like benzodiazepines in her system. This confirmed her long-term battles with addiction and the profound impact it had on her life. Number 10. Financial struggles post-Playboy. Despite securing lucrative early deals with Playboy and Guess Jeans, Anna Nicole Smith encountered severe financial troubles later in life. Her finances were heavily impacted by the long and costly legal battles over her late husband J. Howard Marshall's estate, which stretched over a decade and involved multiple court appearances, including the U.S. Supreme Court. As these legal disputes consumed a significant portion of her resources, Anna Nicole relied on income from her reality TV show and intermittent modeling jobs to sustain her lifestyle, which proved to be insufficient at times due to her high expenditures. Number 11. Her death and continuing legacy. Anna Nicole Smith passed away on February 8, 2007, from an accidental overdose of prescription drugs in her room at the Seminole Hard Rock Hotel and Casino in Hollywood, Florida. The autopsy identified chloral hydrate as the primary substance, with benzodiazepines also contributing. Her death sparked widespread media coverage and discussions about the impact of fame on personal well-being and mental health. Her daughter, Dannylyn Burkhead, born just 5 months prior to Anna Nicole's death, continues to be a reminder of her legacy. Raised by her father, Larry Burkhead, Dannylyn occasionally appears in media, connecting the public to Anna Nicole's storied and tumultuous life.